good evening. Myself, Nimish Gupta, and I'm a student in CSE branch at NIT Patna, currently in second semester. I wish to join the team 405, which is the web development team of the hackslash club. For that, I performed the second task that was given to us, that was to replicate the example web page that was given to us. To make this web page, I've made use of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and I've also tried to make it responsive. I've divided the web page into different parts. First is the header, then the main body, and at last the footer. In order to distinguish between the different parts of the web page, I've made use of section and div tags. I've tried to keep the colors as similar as possible to the example given to us. Now let's start with header. In header, I've added navigation links to the different part of the pages. Like we can click on the about section and we go to the about me section. We can click on services, we can click on work. Basically, we can navigate freely throughout all of the web page. I've also added these work with me buttons which when hovered enlarge in and darken in size. They are present at different parts of the web page. I've also added the link to my GitHub account, my LinkedIn, as well as my Twitter, both here and as well as in the footer section. Now, in order to launch these links in a different web page, I've used target attribute so that they are open in a new web page when clicked. When we go down, we see this blog section. In this, I've used grid container in order to separate these four boxes so that it is easier to understand them. When we hover over the read article text, then we can click on it and be redirected to a different page in order to read it. I've also used grid container here in the open source as well. That's it for the explanation of this web page. I've added the link to the repository in the Google document and a few details about me as well. I'm looking forward to hearing any remarks from your end, and I'm very excited to get the results. Thank you.